Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Oh, this whole month and the next month and the next month. 其实不管是这个月、下个月、下个月、下个月，可能都好热啊。
很热了哦。
对啊，是夏天嘛，哦，很热哦。That's how you say it's so hot. 哎 ，Alice 有开车吧？对不对？
有啊。
对啊，我也有开车。开车最讨厌就是夏天的时候，塞车，还有停在外面，
然后一坐进去好像烤箱
了。
对呀。
Yeah, when you own a car and you park outside during a hot summer day, that's the worst when you get into your car, right? 所以一定要让里面的这个空气要先流通一下才坐得进去。
然后冷气开超大。
真的，哎，人家做过实验，里面可以煎蛋呢。
真的？
对啊。
那我们就变荷包蛋。
真的，我的烤乳猪是我啊。All right, it's too hot in the car. Sometimes you need to, let the air flow through the car a little bit on a hot summer day. Let's teach you how to, kind of have this dialogue in this scenario. 好，车子里面好热哦。It's so hot inside the car.
柴底度很热了哦。
柴底度很热哦。
柴底度就是车子里面，
在里面的是很热哦。
对。
Okay. 柴 is actually the car. 底度 inside. It's very hot. Yeah. 那就是怎么样呢？大部分人都会赶快开冷气了哈。
对呀。
Hurry up, turn on the aircon.
開冷氣。
開冷氣. So in Hakka language, hurry up is actually very cute. They say It's like making a sound.
快點，
就是快點。然後開就是 open 哦，turn on 冷氣
就是冷氣。
That's the air conditioner. Okay. So aside from turning on the aircon, you should also roll down your windows. 其实我们也应该把这个窗户也摇下来啊，让它通风一下比较好。
对。
所以我们教大家怎么说，先开窗，然后通風一下。
先開窗門。通風一下。
Okay, 通風一下 that means to
通風一下
to let the air flow. Let's review some of these vocabulary right here. For instance, the car 車子柴 and inside 裡面
底度
还有这个冷氣
冷氣，
然後窗户啊，這個很難念，不過再教一次。
窗門。
Okay, that's the window. Now you know it. It's all about a hot day, so 好熱哦 so hot.
很熱
哦 And I hope that you've learned some Hakka and also learned how to keep your car cool as well. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
單字say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.